My beautiful sister, listen carefully. Sometimes holding on hurts more than letting go. You gave your heart to someone and they broke it. You believed their words. You trusted their promises. And now you sit in silence, asking, why me? But what if I told you this pain is not your ending, it is the beginning? A quiet doorway leading you back to Allah. When someone leaves your life, it is not rejection, it is redirection. Allah removes what is not meant for you, so He can make space for something greater peace, deeper faith, a love that will not fade with time. So, my sister, let them go. Do not chase what Allah is protecting you from. If they were written for you, they would have stayed. And if they walked away, it is because Allah heard conversations you did not. He saw the nights you cried. He saw the things you ignored. So He intervened, not to hurt you, but to save you. Every heartbreak carries a whisper from your Lord. Come back to me. He is Al-Wakil, the best disposer of affairs. He is Al-Latif, the most gentle. He knows what your heart needs before you do. So cry if you must, but then rise again. Fix your crown, my sister. Wipe your tears, pray your salah, and smile again. Because the same Allah who took them away is the one preparing something better for you. Someone who will not break your heart, but help you guard it. Someone who will not pull you away from Allah, but walk beside you toward Him. Until that day arrives, focus on you. Heal, grow, pray, learn. Rebuild your peace. Fall in love with your purpose again. And remember, you are not what you lost. You are what you survived. Let them go, my sister. Let them go. And let Allah write your next chapter, because what is coming will be worth every tear you cried.